Hello. Today, well, it's not today, it's afternoon according to my watch, but anyway, this afternoon I'm going to show you how to draw cowboy hats and a few cowboy expressions. So let's go to the drawing board and you'll see the technique I use in shading and drawing cowboy hats. So let's go to the drawing board, and thank you for watching. So first of all, I'll draw a few rough sketches very faintly, and I'm using a watercolour pencil, and the beauty of that is when you add water to the page, it mixes with the watercolour pencil and creates a nice shading. So I'll now draw several cowboys with various hats, and then I'll go along and I'll complete the drawing by putting a bit more weight to the pencil. So just let's see now. You're probably thinking they all look the same, but there are various slight differences in each hat. But by the time you've finished watching this video, you should be quite expert in drawing cowboys. And let's draw another one here. A slightly different hat. And now what I'll do is I'll put more pressure on the pencil, and you'll see how the drawing develops. Bit of shading. That's his neckerchief. Okay. Now this one's I've drawn his eyes looking towards the sky. Give him a beard. And we'll stick an arrow stuck through his hat, and that's why he's looking skyward, thinking to himself, "God blimey, that was a near miss." And this is a Mexican's sombrero, slightly wider brim. Right, so well, you notice when I do draw, I always start with the nose and then I do the eyes, and depending on the expression you then add little details afterwards. This one's clean shaven. Now okay. He looks a bit like William Holden in The Wild Bunch, which was a very good western. Give this one bushy eyebrows. Moustache. So if you're copying these drawings, just fill the page with faces and hats. You'll soon get the technique and vary the different expressions. And you notice I just used 2 little dots for the eyes on this one. Okay. This one looks like one of those floppy hats you wear in the sun. So let's do a fly, just flying around the hat. And lastly, okay, and now I've just got a brush with just water, nothing else, and as I put it to the page, it mixes with the pencil, the watercolour pencil which I use, and as you see it creates a nice effect of shading. I'm not using watercolour at all, I'm just using the watercolour pencil, and the water just mixes with the pencil marks on the page. So there you have it, a few simple drawings with a bit of shading, and it's surprising how the drawing develops just by adding water. And that's about it, really. Yeah, that's okay. And there's just one more thing, and that's just sign the name at the bottom of the drawing. There. Thank you for watching.